Welcome to Treasures of Bako. Have we got a gem for you? The dish turns slowly, its cobalt landscapes drifting past like a memory painted in motion. A quiet Chinese village, a pagoda watching over flowing waters, willow branches bowing in the breeze, distant mountains rising in soft blue silhouettes. The pedestal lifts the scene as though inviting it toward the light. There is a peace to the imagery, as if time itself has settled upon its surface. In this moment, it becomes more than a dish. It's a window into a world once brushed by the hands of a patient painter, now waiting for its next chapter. Discovered by Treasures of Bako, have we got a gem for you? Follow and subscribe for more hidden gems, and check out our website at treasuresofbako.com.